Happy birthday in advance kay Gemini SL Salgado at happy anniversary na rin, belated, sa inyong dalawa ni Pastor Freddy. Lately ko lang nalaman na wedding anniversary nyo pala, pero alam ko birthday mo June 29. So, yun, napadaan lang para bumati ng happy birthday. Sana okay kayo. Continued growth and continued success sa inyong dalawa ni Pastor, na alam ko naman na napaka-intelihente, and I know that yung disiplina nyo sa sarili would bring you to greater heights. Continue to being a good friend to anyone and everyone on your 10th birthday. So I wish you all the blessings and financial success na pwedeng dumating sa inyo, and I wish God would continually give His spiritual blessings to you and to your husband. So advance happy birthday, more birthdays to come, and God bless.